Now to the terror in Turkey and Syria. Families in San Antonio are worried after powerful earthquakes hit both countries. Right now, rescue efforts are underway with people trapped under the rubble. Within the last few hours, the death toll surged to more than 4,000 people. But the World Health Organization expects that number will increase eightfold. This morning's quake, one of the strongest to hit the region in more than 100 years. KENS 5 reporter Henry Ramos is live tonight with new insight from a local organization. But first, Henry, you spoke with a San Antonio man who has loved ones missing.
Yeah, that's right, Isis. And on top of that, it's really hard for families here to communicate with loved ones there. This man that I spoke with says his immediate family, they're all safe. But he knows a lot of people who are unaccounted for right now. And the only way he's been able to communicate with loved ones there is through WhatsApp. Meanwhile, he told me that he feels helpless and guilty being here with so much devastation and uncertainty.
Terrible.
One word to describe what is unfolding in his home country. Cenk Bolu is from Turkey. Powerful earthquakes killing thousands there and in Syria. Bolu talking to us in Turkish about his family.
Ya oralar öyle görmek.
His family is fine. They were able to evacuate, but all of his childhood friends and the people he knows, some people are dead already. Still a couple of his friends and then family members also, like the community they know that are still under the rebels, like they don't know, they have
missing.
they are missing.
We're feeling bad. It's terrible because here is so far and you can't do anything.
You are helpless. I mean, all you do is watch the pictures, the videos. It kind of puts it into a perspective a little, but at the same time, it's devastating.
Bolu and Melike Yanis are members of the American Turkish Association of San Antonio. They say the Turkish community here is close to 1,000 people. These two have not been able to eat or sleep.
Ve insanların ne durumda olursa olsun bunlara yardım etmesi gerekiyor.
In this type of situations, he says there is no religion, there is no ethnicity, there is no, it's just the humanity.
All about humanity, as they said. So these members with the American Turkish Association of San Antonio, they want to help. They're collecting goods right now, and it's very cold in Turkey right now, almost seeing the same weather that we just saw last week. So they're trying to collect blankets, clothing for adults, children, sleeping bags, tents. If you would like to help, we have all the information posted at this story right now at KENS5.com. We're live just north of downtown tonight. Henry Ramos, KENS 5. Isis.
Thank you, Henry.